work packages can link up to different parts of the value chain in a drug company. It was very important to us when we designed the project that we were able to see some input of value into different parts of the value chain. We were a lot of different members and we had different interests, so we had to make sure everybody was kept happy. But as you can see, I'll see if I can get this to, no. As you can see over here, we have the drug discovery part of the project, where over here it's more the human experimental medicines part that's over here. We're also looking into making a clinical trial with where we're combining a drug with cognitive remediation in order to see whether that would be a successful means of treating schizophrenia patients. The key data on the NEWMEDS are that we started September 1st. We have a 5-year funding period, and we have 11 work packages. Funding was only given to us in February, I think, or money started rolling. But nevertheless, we had have had a very successful first half year, where a lot of people have actually been committed to doing a lot of science. And this is not only FPA partners, but also our academic partners have actually done work for no money because they believe in the project. So that has been really, really great. This is a picture of all the NEWMEDS work package leads. We have assigned a work package leader for each and every work package. So we have both an academic lead and an FPA lead, so that we make sure that everything's on track. And we had a great meeting in Copenhagen in February, our official startup meeting, you could say, after the funding was almost in place. And we had hosted around a little over 100 people came to Lundbeck, and all the different work packages sat down and discussed the science of their individual work packages, which was really great. And I think we had a very nice meeting. Elisabetta was there at least for half of the meeting, and she got a sense of the spirit that's in the group. But as you can see, those of you who can recognize some of these people, they're good, very good people, both from academia and from industry. Actually, I wanted to say that the NEWMEDS project actually started even before September, because in June last year we had actually a London meeting where we assembled everybody that was interested and said, listen guys, you need to come and invest some time. And we actually started discussions on how we could collaborate together, and the work package leads were all there. And then September 1st, we had the signature of the grant agreement, and then the kickoff telecom conference, and then the grant agreement, and then in February we had this first scientific meeting at Lundbeck. Now, what we're doing in the NEWMEDS, there are more details on these next couple of slides, and I won't bore you with too many details, but I do wish to point your attention to what we've actually done in the NEWMEDS is that we have, although you would think that we think that reporting is an issue because we have to report to the EU soon, we decided in the NEWMEDS that we wanted a quarterly monitoring report so that we could keep everybody updated on what's happening in the project. And so we've just collected the Q2, you could say, quarterly report. And as you can see from this first work package 1 here, we have actually already made, or publications are in preparation, and a number of abstracts have been submitted to the SFN. On the work package 2, that was actually work package 2 is a work package where we're trying to look at some of the or the cognitive models that we use in especially in industry, and that Trevor Robbins has been very key on developing in the research of schizophrenia. And one of the issues is basically that what we have out in the literature is from different groups, and it is very interesting to see how small differences will make remarkable differences in the literature on these. So the first couple of months we've spent on trying to discuss or sharing protocols and opening up industry laboratories so that we know what each other are doing, and we're sharing our unpublished results. And I think this is the beauty of IMI and how we work, that in this forum we can actually share these kind of data. Now, for that particular work package, we really needed to hire in postdocs as well, and they have just been hired. So hopefully, the meta-analysis will come soon, or during the next couple of months at least. In the work package 3, this is the one of the work package where we were actually going to do a small clinical trial, and we have where we're trying to use a cognitive enhancer, and on top and together with that, cognitive remediation therapy, and we have already got accepted the study by the Mental Health Research Network, and the training program has been obtained and disseminated to both the sites that are going to run this study. So that is nicely progressing.